Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla false autopilot forward collision warnings at night, focusing on documented autopilot perception and alert logic rather than indicating a confirmed braking or sensor failure. Forward collision warnings can activate at night when the system interprets visual inputs such as low contrast lighting, headlight glare, reflections from road signs, parked vehicles near the roadway, or changing shadows as potential obstacles. This behavior has been documented across multiple Tesla models and model years, but it does not affect every vehicle and can vary depending on autopilot hardware generation, camera configuration, and software version. Verified information indicates that potential contributing factors may include reduced visibility in low light conditions, increased image noise in camera sensors, reflective surfaces, and rapid lighting transitions from oncoming traffic or street lighting. In some software versions, the system may adopt more cautious alert thresholds at night, which can increase the likelihood of warnings without an actual collision risk. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions discussed in documented guidance include keeping cameras clean, ensuring headlights are functioning correctly, updating to the latest available software, and understanding the operational limits of autopilot in low visibility environments. These steps are general recommendations and are not guaranteed to eliminate all false warnings. Owner feedback trends summarized from verified sources indicate that nighttime forward collision warnings are often brief and context-dependent, with frequency influenced by road lighting, traffic conditions, and environmental reflections. Variation is noted across different vehicle generations and autopilot revisions. In conclusion, false forward collision warnings at night are typically related to perception limitations and cautious alert logic rather than a fault in the braking system, and the likelihood of occurrence varies by vehicle generation, software version, and nighttime driving conditions. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.